2024 Ford Edge with the 2-liter EcoBoost engine. The customer's complaint today is that the AC is not working. It's not blowing cold air, and I just had a quick look underneath the hood, and I noticed that the AC compressor belt is not there. It runs off of a separate belt for the AC compressor. So as you can see, somehow the belt came off, but the AC compressor is not seized up or anything. So the clutch spins and the pulley spins freely. So I'm not sure as to how the belt came off. This vehicle is roughly 17,000 kilometers on it. So I noticed on these Ford vehicles, they separate the AC compressor belt and the main drive belt, the alternator and water pump, and so on. And so the reason why they do that is because that the AC compressors in general are very complicated, and they are known to fail. And so I wouldn't say a high failure rate, but AC compressors in general are very common to fail. And so when they fail, the pulley eventually seizes up and breaks the belt. And so that's the reason why they separated it, because if it was all one belt, and then basically you would lose the alternator, the water pump, so the vehicle would stop charging. It would no longer be cooling because the water pump is not spinning, so the engine would start to overheat. The vehicle will not charge anymore, so you'll basically have a breakdown. And so for some strange reason, the AC compressor belt is not there, but the pulley is spinning freely, the AC clutch is spinning freely, so I don't see anything wrong. The belt, it must have came loose and just came off. So it's not super common, but it does happen. It's not something I see very often. It's just like once in a blue moon kind of thing. It happens, so there's not much you can do. So it's going to be a warranty, so we are going to put a belt on it and recheck the system and just go from there. So the new belt is installed now, so I'm just going to recheck the system. So the vehicle is at 40.8 degrees Fahrenheit, freezing cold now, 4.9 degrees Celsius. So it's pretty dang cold. So everything seems to be working okay now. It's a fix.